We saw HSL in the editing tool I just used. What is contrast? When we say the contrast of a picture of an image, okay, it comes when you are choosing a foreground and background colors. It is important also to ensure that there is enough contrast for text to be legible. I told you when you're choosing a background and a foreground color, you should choose the colors that matches, so that not match in the same as in the same color, but choose colors that will be able to show on it. So the background color should be different from the foreground color, such that the foreground color will be visible. So if you check this my slide, my background color is black and my foreground color is white. It actually brings out the foreground color. It makes it visible for everybody to be able to read. In fact, even the entire body of this particular slide, you can see the background color is orange and my text is white. Okay, my foreground color is white. So this actually explains what contrast is. Make sure you do not mix colors that makes your reading, or people who come to your website be finding it difficult to be able to read whatever you have put in place for them. Okay, text is harder to read when there's low contrast between the background and the foreground color. A lack of contrast is particularly a problem for those with visual impairment, those who have challenges with their sight, okay, and those who are color blinded. It also affects people with poor monitors. They are not able to actually read whatever is on screen properly. Text is easier to read when there's a higher contrast between the background and the foreground, just like I explained here with my slide using the white and then the black. So putting black as a background and a white on the black makes it easier to read. Okay, for a very lengthy amount of text, reducing the contrast a little bit improves readability. Okay, and then you can also reduce contrast by using dark gray text on a white background, something similar to what I have used. Okay, so either dark gray or very black and then white color on top. It makes a very good color. It gives a very good contrast. Another one should be a blue background. Okay, a deep blue background with a white text on it also is a very good combination. You can try your hands on.